Let's identify some properties of three-dimensional figures. Consider our solids 1, 2, and 3. Determine whether each solid is a polyhedron. Drag each solid into the appropriate bin. So if you remember to look through the notes and stuff before watching this video, you would know that this pyramid-like thing here, this is a polyhedra. It is part of that. This cylinder, however, is not. So the question comes, is 3 a polyhedra, yes or no? Take a second to think of that on your own. Do you think 3 is a polyhedra or not? Now you've had time to think about it. Let's go ahead and try this out. I believe that it is a polyhedra. Let's find out. We're good to go. Awesome. Part B, identify each solid. If it is a polyhedron, name the bases, faces, edges, and vertices. Expand to see the description for each solid. All right, so what we have here is our pyramid. We did decide that, yes, it is a polyhedra. The solid is formed by polygonal faces, so it is a polyhedron. The base is a rectangle, and the 4 faces meet at a vertex, so it is a rectangular pyramid. That is very important. Make sure you get that in your notes, rectangular pyramid. Name the bases, faces, edges, and vertices. I'm going to move my face over here so we can see the figure at the same time. The base is this rectangle here, EDCB, right there. The faces are ABE, which is that back side, ABC, which is this right side, ACD, which is the front, and ADE, which is the left side. It's really hard to see, but it's right there. The edges are the lines AB, AC, AD, AE, BE, that dotted one in the back there, BC along the side, CD along the front, and DE along this other side. And the vertices are at A, B, C, D, and E. This solid has a curved face, so it's not a polyhedron. It has 2 congruent and parallel circular bases, so it is a cylinder. This is a cylinder. Should be a relatively familiar looking shape. Should kind of remind you of a cup. And the last one, this solid is formed, get out of the way, face. This solid is formed by polygonal faces, so it is a polyhedron. There is no base, but the solid has 8 equilateral triangle faces, so it is an octahedron. Octahedron is what we call that. There is no bases, as we said. It's kind of like one of those spinny top thingies. It just kind of stands on its vertice. Its faces are QRU, that's the triangle over on that side of it. QRS, that's over here on the other side of it. QST, that's here in the front left. And QTU is on the front right. Then we jump down and we do RSV, that's the back bottom over there. STV, that's the bottom left. TUV is the bottom right. And RUV is the one back over on the bottom over there. The edges are all of the lines, so QR, QS, QT, QU, RV, SV, UV, TV, and then these 4 as well, ST, TU, RU, and RS. And then, of course, the vertices are all of the points Q, R, S, T, U, V. Symbols can be used in naming the bases and faces of polyhedra. The symbol that looks like a rectangle means rectangle. This symbol that looks like a triangle means triangle. And the symbol that looks like a bullseye means circle. Make sure you get those into your notes because you will see those more often and you will need to be able to use them in your writing.